Hello guys and welcome to JavaFX tutorial for beginners. So in this video we will see how to download and install the Eclipse, and also we will see how to use the Eclipse. So Eclipse is a IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. If you are working on a complex project or complex software you want to build, then you have to use the Eclipse because it's much helps to code or okay. So let's get started. How to download? Just type the Eclipse in Google, then search. The new version of Eclipse, latest version is Eclipse Oxygen. Open the eclipse.org. After opening the Eclipse, you can find information about the Eclipse and the terms and condition. Just click here the download, and you can see here the Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers, Enterprises Edition developers. Okay, there are a lot of other packages are available like IDE for Java developers, C++. Okay, then choose the way which Windows you have, 32-bit or 64-bit. I have 64, so I will choose the 64-bit. Click here, then click the download and save. After downloading the Eclipse file, just open the files and extract the files, zip files. After extracting the files, zip file, just find out where it is and open the file, and you can find here the eclipse.exe. Just double click and open. So Eclipse show the one panel and choose the workspace. The workspace is where all programs which we will add in Eclipse, they will store in this workspace. So I will create my new workspace in my folder, so it will easily to find out. So let's add the Eclipse workspace and click OK. Then the mark is use this as a default and don't ask again, and launch the application. So installation is completed. The Eclipse looks like this. This is the welcome page. You can create new Java web page. Okay. Click here also. Just cut this. Okay. So this in this panel, the project explorer means which project we will create it will be added like in this panel. Okay. Just create a new project, new file, new. Now you can see here the Maven project we can create servlet, or so we can create the JPA Pro project. Click here the project, Java project. Click next. Now you have to just give the project name, like I will give the hello. So this is a default setting. They choose the Java SE Standard Edition 1.8. Use the specific. You can use the specific JRE also. Project layout confirm. Okay. Just give the name, project file name, and click next. You can see here, so in our Java project file, we created this one source file. In source file, we have to create class files and other packages. Okay, or you can also add the build path also here. Also we can add the external libraries like JFonts control fx or MySQL connector. So this way we can add and just finish. Okay, so project is created now. So let's see how to create a class, or also we can they import the JRE system libraries, and here the source file, just click on right click, and we can here we can add the class or create the class like this. So class is created now in default package. Okay, if you don't give the name of package, they will automatically use the default packages. Okay, if you want to add the packages, like I will add the hello work, and in package, in this package we will create a new class. We will add it in this package. Okay, so this way we can add packages and classes. For the run program, just click on which class we want to run and click here the run button. It will be run. It will be open the console. Okay, or other way we can click the right click on Java file and run as Java application. Okay, so this way we can create create a JavaFX project. So a lot of option is there. You can build the project or create a jar file also. In this we can run the program in window, can change the navigation or all stuff also. In help, if you want to add the new software or check the updates, you can click on help and it will update, and you can add update the Eclipse. Or if you want to add the new software like JavaFX, we will see in next video. But if you want to add the JavaFX, you have to just install the new software or any other software you want to add, and it will be add. So defaultly it will not add the JavaFX. So I will show you. They will not added the JavaFX. Defaultly not JavaFX is added. So we have to externally add the JavaFX. So we will see in next video to add the JavaFX in Eclipse. So see you in next video.